My name is Syed Yameen. I am studying in grade 1. I am a washing machine, one of the most hardworking gadgets in our home. I clean your dirty clothes, save your time and energy. All you have to do is dump in your dirty clothes and detergent and power me up. But make sure I am connected to the tap. I am clean up clothes in 4 steps. First, wash. Second, rinse, spins and dry. And when that is done, I will let you know. Wash, wash, wash. Washing machine. Wash your clothes to the clean. Hang them out in a sunny day. I end them and put they away. Whenever you want to buy a washing machine, remember Syed washing machine. Thank you.